welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Meg here, and I'm back with another video for the channel. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing my new phone, actually my new iPhone 12. I've been waiting. It's actually a gift from a special someone, and I really appreciate it. Yeah.
One eternity later.
So as I was saying, I'm very thankful for this gift and I really appreciate it. I'm really happy because I had this phone. Yeah, this is my phone, and I like it actually. It's a nice phone. It's a Samsung A21. I got it like 3 months ago, I guess. Yeah. And this is how it looks. I like it. It's a color blue, and this is the cover. So yeah, it's time for me to change my phone because memory full. Yeah, memory full, so I had to change it. So since my birthday came, I was asked what I want as a gift. And you know, they just dropped this thing. I'm like, you know, I just want this one. Yeah. So yeah, I ordered it and it was out of stock, so they restocked it, and I had like mine got delivered today. I was waiting, always checking my email. I was always calling these people every day, calling them, when is my phone coming? I'm waiting for my phone, like I can't wait anymore. So today I finally got an email. And I was not in the house, so I was like, fucking hell, somebody needs to go to my house and get that phone. So I had to arrange for somebody to go to my house to receive my delivery because I have been waiting, and finally it's here, and it's my baby. So I'm gonna unbox it today, and yeah, but I don't know how to open it though. And also, this is my first time, my very first time using an iPhone. Like I've never used an iPhone ever since it came out. So we are gonna unbox it together. Ooh, okay, let me be careful. All right, this is going out. You don't need it. So this is the packaging. Like I actually like the box because it's so cute. I know that the normal iPhone, like the first iPhone boxes, were big like this, but this is nice. Yeah, this is very nice. And so let's open the phone, and guess what color, guys? Like let's open the phone. So yeah, I got the color blue. I got the blue because I'm obsessed with blue. So yeah, I got the blue color, and it's so cute. Like I like it. Ooh. So yeah, this is it. Very nice. It looks like the iPhone 5, yeah, because it's thick here, and it has the same shape as the iPhone 5, even though I've never used an iPhone before, but I know how they look like. Okay, I'm not that dumb. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. I really like it. Before I open this, I'm gonna show you what's in the box. So it comes with the charger, and this charger is different because it calls something USB, I don't know. So this is how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks. So I need to buy a new what's it called, whatever. I need to buy something for it. Yeah. And also it has this, ooh, cute, and it has the iPhone icon here. I can, like a sticker, so I can use it for anything, I guess. And this is the thingy to open the chip side, like your pin for the chip, and it has some, I guess, a little booklet here. So yeah, that's all. And also here you go. So this is the phone, cute and nice. I'm not gonna open this at the moment because I have I've ordered for a screen protector, yeah, for the front and also for the back. I don't know why. I really need to protect this phone, guys. I really need to protect it. And also I got the iPod. Yeah, I got the iPod as well. Okay, it's AirPod, okay guys. Look, me, I don't care anything I say. I know you understand, so don't comment anything in the comment section. Excuse me. Excuse me, who are you? Nobody is perfect here, Charlie. Let me pass, please. How do you even open this? I don't know, but I'm gonna try and open it. Do I need a knife? I think I need a knife, so I'm gonna be back soon. So yeah, this is the iPod, yeah, in its little box. It's so cute. You're gonna unbox this one too. Ooh. Okay, so it also comes with a little booklet of instructions, I guess, yeah, how to use it, how to charge it, and yeah. Okay, and also yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna put this back in here. And this is okay. This is the iPod. Lol, guys, I don't know why I keep saying iPod, but it's actually AirPods. So just don't mind my accent and just enjoy the video. Okay, this is how it looks. It's so cute and tiny, guys. So I'm gonna open it. This is how it looks. Nice, comfortable, nice. I think it's already charged, I guess. So this is how you're gonna use it. Cute, you know. I'm in town. Mirror chrome. What else here? This mirror chrome. So it's nice, it's cute. I really like it. I think I'm gonna enjoy it. Because this is my first time using iPod as well. I've tried it before, but this is my first time using it, like having my own personal iPod and my own personal iPhone, you get me? And I can't wait to, be flexing around. Hello, excuse me. I'm not extra, guys, please. I'm just being myself here. I'm bringing my own character here. Share. You guys think I'm leaving it in my room? No, I'm bringing everything here. We are all going to see it here. So yeah, this is it. This is the iPhone 12, I know you guys like it. Yeah, I also love it. So guys, I got this case, and also I got this screen protector for the camera, and the screen protector for the so this camera protector is for the camera, try to like the back of the phone here, and the other one is for the front of the phone here. So yeah, I'm gonna put them on it and I'm gonna show you how it looks, guys. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is the cover. I already have other covers, so yeah, this is how it looks. So cute, nice, and I'm in love with it, So guys, so these are the case I ordered for my phone, and also the case I ordered for the iPod, and also I ordered this ring light, so when I'm out I can use it. It's a portable ring light and it's really nice. I'm gonna show you guys how it has to be on. And like there's a button here where you click, and you can also like see it has 3 times light, and it's very nice and portable. Like it's really work perfect. And for the AirPod, this is how you have it in it. And yeah, the reason why I chose this blue case and AirPod case because I really like blue. So yeah, this is a cute one. It's a violet with some blue in it, and I really like it. And this is like a ticket case cover, and this is like butterfly, and they're really nice and cute. I really like this. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and also tell a friend to tell a friend to come join the makeup family. Thank you, bye, see you in another video. Love you guys.